And this one, I will tag the name on this video. Let's try it out. So just from taking one bite of each, that one's gotta be my favorite. And I can't wait to get the sausage in there. The sausage is probably at the bottom, but they're so cheesy. I think this is spicy mayo. Look at the inside. I'm gonna take some of this home, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna eat it all, but so freaking good. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. I'm gonna leave the address below, but two hands, y'all got a good idea here. It's so good. Let me know if you try it.